Here's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz CLS. Timeless and sensual, this CLS is ready to provide a drive you'll never forget. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, 4-corner auto leveling suspension, external memory control, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and twin turbo V6 engine. Automobile raves, this is the best looking CLS yet. Its revised front end sporting fat air intakes and a chromed diamond grille that resembles a constellation of stars. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,